To start off, you will need 1 pound of baby Yukon Gold potatoes. If they're large, slice them in half. Combine these in a rimmed sheet pan with 3 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of whole grain mustard. Season them with kosher salt and coarsely ground black pepper. Place them in an oven heated to 400 degrees and let them roast for 20 minutes. Remember to toss them once halfway through. While the potatoes are roasting, create a flavorful mix with 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of drained prepared horseradish in a small bowl. Next, take 2 limes. Finally, grate the zest of these limes until you have about 2 teaspoons worth, and then cut the remaining lime into wedges. Add the lime zest to the mayonnaise mixture. Season it to taste with salt and pepper. Now it's time for the salmon. You'll need 1.5 pounds of skinless salmon fillet, preferably a single center-cut piece. Season the salmon with salt and pepper. Slather the horseradish mayonnaise sauce all over the top and sides of the salmon. When the potatoes have been in the oven for 20 minutes, take them out and make space in the center of the pan for the salmon. Place the salmon, skinned side down, onto the pan. Return the pan to the oven and let it cook until the potatoes are browned and tender and the salmon is cooked to your liking. This could take anywhere between 10 to 20 minutes, depending on the thickness of the salmon. Serve it up with the lime wedges you prepared earlier. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.